Good day. Today we'll explain how to transmit and receive SOS using Morse light based on COLREG's Annex 4 and International Code of Signals. SOS is the official signal used when the vessel of person is in serious danger and needs immediate help.
In Morse code, short flashes are dots, long flashes are dashes. Timing rule: 1 unit for dot, 3 units for dash. 1 unit gap between flashes of some letter, 3 units gap between letters for SOS. S 3 short flashes. O 3 long flashes. S 3 short flashes. Full sequence: 3 short, 3 long, 3 short, sent continuously until help arrives.
When transmitting, use any visible light source. Make flashes clear and distinct. Use only during real emergencies, malicious and illegal and prohibited.
When receiving, recognize the repeated pattern right away as a distress call. Note the location, acknowledge if possible, and immediately report all details to Coast Guard or nearest authority to start rescue operations.
Always use this knowledge responsibly to ensure safety at sea. Thank you.